This is the version 2 of the Rolling Bag 61 series, a series of 61 key keyboard cases with wheels, trolley handles, carry handles, and both large and small accessory pockets. There are two bags in this series, the standard model and the slim model, and both are designed to fit 61 key keyboards. The bag dimensions of the standard model are 43.31 inches by 17.72 inches by 6.5 inches. The bag dimensions of the slim model are 41.73 inches by 12.6 inches by 5.12 inches. Each model comes with two foam inserts with Velcro on them that allow you to fit additional padding around thicker keyboards and just play around with the padding fit you want in the case. There are also two giant protective and padded Velcro straps that go over your keyboard and secure it tight to the bag so that your keyboard won't move or slide around during transport. These straps also act as an additional level of padding over your keyboard. The interior of the bag is lined with tricot and soft foam with a polyethylene reinforced interior frame, and the bag has an extremely rugged nylon construction with built-in multi-layers of protection to add strength and hardness to protect your keyboard from accidental drops. There are rubber spikes on the side of the case, so if you have to place the case down, it won't move or slide, and there are skid bars on the rear allowing you to place the case down without worrying about scratches or anything. There's a carry handle on the back of the case, and the Velcro carry handles on the side allow you to carry the case vertically or horizontally, and the built-in wheels and trolley handle on the top allows you to trolley the keyboard around, which is especially helpful for heavier keyboards. And on the front we have two pockets, a large one and a small pocket. Now both of these pockets are super useful to store a variety of different things. You can store an iPad in this larger pocket. A lot of musicians keep their sheet music and chords on their iPads or tablets, so this pocket is great for that. Or you can just put your sheet music in here, etc. And in the smaller pocket, you can keep any power cables, 1/4-inch instrument cables, DI boxes, sustain pedals, microphones, basically anything else you would need for your performance. And the zippers are super strong and high quality zippers used all throughout the bag. So if you're a musician, performer, or entertainer looking for a 61 key keyboard case for your keyboard, synth, or MIDI controller that has wheels, a trolley handle, carry handles, and a large and small accessory pocket, look no further than the version 2 of the Rolling Bag 61 series from Rockville.